Light was pretty fast.
Okay, so red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. Look at that staggering gain in the mid-range. So we lowered the Vtec, extended the rev range, and we finish on 220 brake, 190 at the wheels. What a beautiful car. If you've got an EP3, I can get my words out mainly. If you've got an EP3, let us know. Code word Cosmic Grey, because I just love Cosmic Grey. And thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. We'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
Indeed.
We will indeed. Any last words, Jensen?
I'm looking forward to cleaning this up.
He's looking forward to cleaning this up. Good lad. Good lad.